pagkatapos mag-makeup. Hey everyone, it's Grace and welcome back to my channel. So excited to film this video kasi ito yung Colourette Velvetint. Dumating lang siya ngayong araw. Hala, may tricycle. Dumating lang siya ngayong araw. So, ganito yung itsura niya. And looks like this. Ay, marikambaw. Ayan. Ito yung makukuha niyo sa loob. Tapos, ito yun. Tapos, yan. My card from Colourette. And then you have a sticker that says beauty in all ways. And then you get the 3 velvet tints here. So, tatlo yung shades nila. I have Rosé, Birthday Cake, and RSVP. Super excited to film this. So, ayun. 3 years, 3 shades, 3 ways. So, ang cute-cute nun. So, na-curious ako kung how they would like go again sa duality tints nila. Kasi meron ako ng 4 na duos nila. Mahal ko rin to, itong duality tints ng Colourette. Kasi velvet din yung pagka-market nila sa duality tints. So, ito, sabi nila, ito kasi glossy finish, yung velvet na to. Ito naman, powder velvet. So, all day powder matte. So, super duper excited. So, they retail for 299 pesos. The box itself is 897 pesos, which is basically, if you buy them individually, ganun din. Pero it comes in a box, tapos may stickers and stuff like that. May laman ba yung ilalim nito? Dito. Hindi ko pa nasisilip yung ilalim nito. Wala siyang laman. So, I guess, yun lang. Yung sticker na yun. Tapos, may cute box ka. So, ilang ml to? Walang nakalagay kung ilang ml. Wala din ingredients. Gusto ko at least makikita ko ingredients. Meron ba dito sa box? Hold on. Wala naman ata rin ingredients dito sa box. So, I wish may ingredients siya. Baka sa box nakalagay. So, I will swatch this shade Rosé. Yung naalala ko sa Rosé is actually si Rosé from Blackpink. Addict ako sa Blackpink, guys. So, I'm gonna swatch Rosé first on my hands. Or, kasi magkisimula ako sa eyes tsaka cheeks. Ilalas ko yung lips. So, ito yung shade na Rosé. Mabango siya. Although, medyo a bit too strong yung amoy. Ito yung kanilang brush, which I wish, ano na lang siya, doe foot. Pero, ito yung the shade Rosé. Uy, oh my God. Ang ganda ng formula. Para siyang mousse. Ang ganda ng formula. Oh my God. Oh my golly gee. Ang ganda ng formula niya. Diyos ko Lord. Oo nga, magkaiba talaga siya sa duality tint ng Colourette. Kasi ito talagang more on like velvet oil. Ito ang sinasabing velvet talaga. Oh my gosh. Ayan ang shade na Rosé. Next is Birthday Cake, which yung pinaka-excited ako. So, ito yung shade na Birthday Cake. Gusto ko rin na matte tong packaging. So, ayun. Ayan. Ang ganda ng formula, besh. Ayan, ito yung Birthday Cake. Tapos, ito yung shade na RSVP, which is like a very kind of muted red na you can use for everyday. Ang ganda ng formula. Teka lang. Ito na ang tinatawag na velvet. Ito talaga yung velvet. Ang light niya ha. Ang ganda. Okay. So, Rosé, Birthday Cake, and RSVP. Hindi ko alam. Parang gusto kong gamitin yung Birthday Cake sa aking cheeks at sa aking eyes. Ano sa tingin niyo? Ito talaga ang nagsiset into a powder finish. Ito yon. Ito talaga yung powder finish. Ang light niya. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh! Ayan. So, ang gusto ko dito, it remains in the same family. Alam niyo kasi minsan may ibang velvet tint na kapag blend nyo na, nag-iiba siya ng shade or nagiging mas brighter. Ito, it remains in the same color family. So I think I'm gonna go for birthday cake. But it's like a brownish, orangey shade. So, let's see kung paano siya sa ating matte. Ito talaga yung tinatawag na velvet mousse. So, lagay natin sa ating lids. Ayan, tapos i-blend natin. Ang ganda. Lagay ko lang ng konti sa crease para parang wash of color lang siya over our lids. Oh! Sorry pero sobrang impressed ako. Hindi ko na alam kung anong sasabihin ko. Kukuha lang ako ng konti para sa crease. Ito, actually sa lahat ng mga dual purpose na like lip products or mga ganito, ito ata yung pinaka nagustuhan kong formula sa aking eyes. So excited to like play around with these. So, ang ganda. Tsaka nagsiset talaga siya. Guys, kasi walang gloss. And ang gaan niya, guys. Ang galing. Sobrang airy. Ito na siguro sa lahat ng velvet tints na lumabas. Yung Colourette Velvetint, yung pinakamalapit na sa Peripera Airy Ink Velvet. Siya na yung pinakamalapit. Birthday cake or rosé? Ganda rin kasi ng rosé. Iba din eh. Okay, ito yung rosé birthday cake. Ano sa tingin nyo, guys? First world problems. So, usually pa nag-a-apply ako ng velvet tints, nagsistart na sa cheekbones. So, lagay lang tayo ng, ay, Marie, masyado nag-enjoy. So, that's birthday cake on our cheeks. Sobrang ganda! Tsaka, yung concealer ko dito, hindi niya masyadong na-disrupt. So, hindi niya masyadong nabura. Nawiwindang ako. So, isa-set ko lang to. I will set it with a powder kasi, kailangan ko siya i-powder para mabigyan naman natin ng chance na talagang matest siya. So, super, super nice. Ang ganda ng birthday cake sa lids. Let's appreciate it a little longer. Ang ganda. So, I'll just finish my base makeup and then let's proceed to lip swatches. Okay guys, so tapos na ang ating makeup. So, nagustuhan ko yung sa eyes kasi hindi na siya nag-transfer masyado. I will insert a clip here. I was debating whether or not to put eyeliner kasi yung the past velvet tints ko, kasi nga mas velvet oil siya. Hindi masyadong kumakapit yung eyeliner. Ngayon, I had no problems applying my eyeliner. It applied really, really nicely. And hindi na nagka-transfer yung birthday cake. Because I used birthday cake on my lids. Also, I used birthday cake on my cheeks. So, ayan. Yung cheeks, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo pa. Kasi medyo, natakpan na siya ng powder. Pero if it's natural lighting, kita nyo siya. Yeah, I'll check back with you guys by the end of the day. Said the last time, anong time nun? 3:55. So, sabihin na natin 4 p.m. It is now, what time is it? Ito, it is 9:31 p.m. Ganun yung itsura niya. Medyo nag-fade na dito sa ano. Pero, tingnan nyo, talagang nandyan pa rin siya. And then, very, very impressive sa eyes, guys. Nakita ko nag-oil na dito. Pero hindi siya nag-crease. And hindi ko yan sinet na eyeshadow. I just left it as is. Yung blush, medyo nakikita ko pa pero medyo nag-fade na siya. Pero sa eyes tsaka sa lips talagang matingkad siya. And Yung sa blush kasi medyo nadamihan ko din kasi yung powder, kaya sorry. Pero overall, I'm loving how everything is wearing. So I want to see if layer friendly siya. So try natin i-layer. Hindi ko nalalagyan ng lip balm kasi tingnan natin kung sorry. Okay, so I'm using the shade RSVP. So ayun, very wearable siya na red. Medyo nahirapan lang ako mag-apply nitong shade nito in particular because of the paddle doe foot or like paddle applicator. So okay, so layer friendly siya. It didn't feel any heavier. So ayun, ang ganda. So what are my final thoughts for the Colourette Velvetint? So honestly guys, I love the color, yung first 3 shades na ni-release nila. As in, maganda yung you have a very, very nice kind of warm, but kind of warm and kind of a neutral peachy pink. Kasi itong birthday cake talaga. Itong birthday cake, gagamitin kita bukas. Pero ayun, super love it. I feeling ko talaga, madalas kong magagamit tong birthday cake sa aking lids. Kasi super ganda talaga ng wash. So, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung RSVP. I didn't expect to love it, pero it kind of grew on me. I mean, maganda siya, pero kasi, you know, mas ganitong shades kasi ako. Basic na basic ako. Pero, yeah. For a velvet tint, actually, may kapareho siyang formula sa Peripera Ink Velvet. I actually have 3 of the Ink Velvets. So, una lumabas sa Peripera is yung Ink Velvet. And then, nilabas sila ng Airy Ink Velvet. Tapos, I think last year lang, nilabas nila yung Cloud Ink Velvet. So, itong Paris Ink Velvet, mas mas kind of, paano ba to? Parang mas siya, mas watery na mousse compared sa Colourette. So, ito yung, I have it in the shade Celeb Deep Rose. Tapos, ito yung Airy Ink Velvet. Itong Airy Ink Velvet, very, very light. Halos pareha sila ng formula, pero mas watery lang yung Ink Velvet. Ito, mas mousse naman yung Airy Ink Velvet. Itong Cloud Ink Velvet, ang feeling kong pinaka-close sa Colourette. Kasi ito, it's a hybrid between the Ink Velvet tsaka Airy Ink Velvet. Tapos, ayan, pareho ding paddle brush. So, ayan, even like swatching it now, talagang pareho sila ng formula. And when this Cloud Velvet dries down, it dries into a matte. So, I will swatch RSVP right beside it. Tapos, ayan. You guys could see, pareho sila na applicator ng Cloud Ink Velvet ng Peripera, paddle brush, and same texture. Even yung finish nila is very, very similar. Hindi katulad itong dalawang tong gloss, nakikita nyo. Itong Cloud Ink Velvet at Colourette Velvetint, powder velvet talaga siya. So, it really dries matte. Absolutely love the formula of the Colourette Velvetints. I hope maglabas pa sila ng madaming shades. I'm pretty sure they will, and I'm excited to like buy more kahit hindi ko kailangan. Pero try ko magpigil. Pero ayun. Tapos kapag biniblend nyo talaga siya, super blendable. And halos parang wala kang biniblend. Alam mo yun, ganun siya ka-light. Halos parang wala ka nang hinahawakan pero may biniblend ka pa rin. Same with the Cloud Ink Velvet. As in, parehong-pareho sila. Parehong-pareho sila ng texture ng Cloud Ink Velvet and the Velvetint. Since sila, mas matte sila and it dries into a powder finish, hindi siya ganon ka-moisturizing. Although it remains light on your lips, which I think yun yung pinaka-importante, pero hindi siya moisturizing. So, medyo ma-accentuate niya pa yung dry patches niya. You would see it in the close-ups when I did the lip swatches of the shades. Hihita nyo, siya, mukha talaga siyang liquid lipstick. So, kung hindi yun yung hanap nyo, then you might not like it. Pero, ayun nga. And the thing is, napansin ko, yung nagustuhan ko sin talaga sa mga Airy Ink Velvet or yung Ink Velvet is yung blurring properties nila. As in, nablur niya yung lips. Itong Velvetint, hindi niya nablur yung lips. Pero it's a small thing. You can put like lip balm on top para mas mabuhay ulit yung lips nyo. Pero ayun, hindi niya pa rin nakukuha yung pagka-blurring ng Airy Ink Velvet. Pero sa lahat na Velvetins na na-try ko, this year, yung Colourette Velvetint, yung closest sa Peripera. Since, as I said, hindi siya ganun ka-moisturizing, mas nararamdaman ko siya sa lips ko, pero hindi naman yung sobrang uncomfortable. Medyo, I can feel it, pero still quite light sa lips. So, ayun lang. It's a very, very small thing na pwede ko lagpasan kasi sobrang ganda-ganda ng formula. And since they are still a tint, hindi sila completely transfer-proof, I visited the Instagram page of Colourette and sabi nila 90% transfer-proof. So, as I was drinking, may transfer siya. Pero once nag-set na talaga siya, hindi na siya nag-transfer while I was eating. Napansin ko while I was eating dinner, never na siya nag-transfer. So, it stays. And again, it is layer-friendly. So, overall, I highly recommend the Velvetints ng Colourette. Super, super ganda. If you want a hybrid of a velvet tint / liquid lipstick na datingan, tapos talaga nagsistay, very multi-purpose, it sets into a matte finish, and very light and airy, moussey, lahat na ng terms, cloud, fluffy, lahat. Super, super recommend the Colourette Velvetints. So, yeah, hope you guys like my review for the Colourette Velvetints. Ilang beses ko sinabi ang Colourette Velvetints. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click the notification bell right beside it and check all. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!